Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the October Boxycharm unboxing. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these. I know I missed last month's unboxing, but I just had a bunch of videos. Actually, I think I missed the past 2 months of the BOXYCHARM unboxing, and it's just because I've had a bunch of video ideas that I wanted to get out and I didn't have time to film it. But this month I wanted to get back into filming my BOXYCHARM unboxings because I don't know, it's always fun to see what I get in the box in no particular order. So I'm going to show you guys what came in the box and we're going to test out some of the products. The first thing we have is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Beep Face palette, and this retails for $32. This is what the palette looks like. Ooh, and these are the colors inside. I really like this bronzer color. It looks like Hula, which I really like from Benefit, and the blushes are really pretty too, and this highlighter. So we're going to try this out on our cheeks. We also got the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray, and this retails for $23, and this matches my shirt. Next up we have the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I believe I picked this one in my box. Every month you can pick one item in your box, and I think this is the one I chose. So we're going to try this out and see how well it works. Next we have the Symbiosis London Tightening Resplendent Eye Mask. This retails for $93. Visibly reduces puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. This little tube is $93. And lastly, this is what must smell so good. I smelled something as soon as I opened the box. This is the Spongelli Body Wash Infused Buffer. Ooh, this smells really good. Ooh, it smells so good. I wonder how many times you can use this. So place underwater, squeeze, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. I guess you just use it until like the scent goes away. It smells so good though. Can't wait to use this. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the cheek palette. And the first thing I'm gonna do is contour my face. So I'm gonna use this shade right here. My brush is dirty, but I'm just going to use this brush from Morphe. Ooh. The color payoff is really good and it blends really nicely. I really like that bronzer shade. It's definitely buildable, but this is a really good color. It's not too warm and it's not too like cool tone. What I find with a lot of bronzers, and I feel like that's why I'm picky with my bronzers, is because most of the time they will turn pretty red or orange on me. I like this kind of color because you can, it warms up the skin but it also contours as well. Super pretty. Really like that one. That color is called Son of a Bee. I'm going to throw on a little bit of this blush called Hush Blush. Ooh, that's pigmented. I tapped the brush in 2 times. It's really pretty though. Super pigmented. Really pretty. It's not too pink. I like it. Alright, and lastly, we're just going to try out this highlighter right here called Glimmers of BS. Ooh. That's really nice. It's not chunky. It blended on my skin really nicely. It's like blinding, but it also has a little hint of pink, which is nice because it pairs really nicely with the blush. I tend to lean towards the gold champagne colored highlighters, but this one is really pretty. I think honestly because when I think of like a pinky highlight, I just think it's not gonna be like blinding like this, or it's not gonna show up as much. But wow, look at that. It's honestly like a mixture of a champagne highlighter with a little bit of pink. I am actually really impressed by this palette. I've never heard of Pretty Vulgar before, but I'm really impressed. So I used Son of a Bee, Hush Blush, and Glimmers of BS. And this color down here, Mirror Mirror, looks like NARS Orgasm. And then Sunkissed Snitch is just a darker bronzer. I quite like this palette. It's really pretty. I really like it. I can't stop saying it, but I really like this palette. Most of the time with blush palettes, honestly, like I don't really like them because there's gonna be colors that I don't like. But the last makeup product I can try is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Sets makeup for 16 hours. Ooh. Wow. It's like the Morphe Continuous Mist, which I've never tried, but I've seen it. All of the setting sprays that I've tried are the spray, so this is kind of nice. I'm scared. Okay. Wow, it's really nice and light. That's really nice because I've been using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Air, and it's a spray, and with the sprays tend to come out more product, so I'll usually have to use my paper fan, I don't know where it is, but my paper fan to kind of dry my face. This one just sets it right away. Like I don't have to mess with it after. I'm gonna play with this more to see if it really makes my makeup last longer, but I do like that type of spray. I've never had a setting spray like this. I like it. All right, and that about wraps it up for October's BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm pretty impressed with this month's box and the products that I got. And so far, just in general, I think I've had BOXYCHARM for 4 or 5 months, and all of the products have been pretty different. Like I'm not getting, you know, lipsticks every month or stuff that I wouldn't use. So super happy with BOXYCHARM so far. I would recommend it. I just have the basic box. I am thinking of upgrading to the Luxe, where you get more products and more full-size product, or they're all full-size, but more name brand products. But so far I've been super happy with my regular box. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried BOXYCHARM or another makeup subscription box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already to be notified of my future uploads. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. What's that word? October.